Okay, so we're right here in Chinatown at Charon Krung, Soi 23. Now the reason I'm right here is a couple things. They have a pretty famous noodle shop right here. It's Koi Tiao Japgang. And what it is they sell a lot of noodles and they sell it to the workers. So the Japgang is like the laborers, like the people that are like carrying everything. So this is pretty famous in this area because they give a lot of noodles to all of the laborers. So it's big portions and they need all that noodles for strength to carry everything all day. So they can come right here and get the noodles. They have the big table. And it looks like the price is like 50 baht for some of the noodles. 50 or 60 baht. It looks like a nice enough size. You guys got some noodles here. And some more, like the bap mae mudang. So here he is making some of the noodles. Have the steam coming off. And then you can take it to go also. But right here at the end of Soi 23, we have a little soi. This is like a 100-year-old soi in this little community. And they're trying to take some steps to preserve their area. They don't want it to get completely demolished and become just another like normal subdivision of Bangkok. They don't want a air-conditioned mall or anything like that built here. They want to keep their homes and everything else. Okay, and nice little narrow alley here. It's kind of cool. You can see some of the buildings. The old style buildings with the wooden shutters. Hard to see very well because they got all these little awnings built. But right here they have this little museum. This is the old Chinese style house. You can just walk right in. It's open to the public. I have a map on the wall. I guess they're calling this Lee's house. Let's go up and see what it looks like. The wooden stairwell. The Chinese posters and stuff on the wall. Looks like a little closet of some kind, but it's locked up. And they have everything in the room. Really like this. They built a little stairwell right here, and then they have kind of a small little loft that you can use for working. And they have a shrine and stuff up there. And then right down below the loft, you could use this area also for something. The building is in a bad state of repair, but it's still pretty nice. Let's look down the alley if we can see anything. Yeah, and you can see they have the balconies and the second story of all the houses. Looks like next door they have some trees growing out. Maybe it'll be better to see it outside. This is right here in Chinatown. Let's see, can we open this door? Oh, here we go. Yeah, next door, the second story looks like it caught on fire. I see some burned wood. But they're still using it a little bit. It's right next to the Wat Mangkon MRT station. So let's look over the alley here. Yeah, they got all that built, and there's trees growing on the awnings. Keep the rain off of them the best they can. Definitely an old part of the city. And over there is the Chinese temple. So you can call and you can buy some t-shirts and stuff like that to support the historic house in this area. So 160 baht if you wanted to buy some of the tea. So the purpose of this house is this Charon Chai Community Preservation Project. And so their overall goal is to raise awareness and to keep the landlords from being able to raise the rents or collect it more frequently. And because what they want is they don't want this to become like a strip mall, which is what you see all around Bangkok. And they want to keep some of the heritage here. So the owner of this house, Pueng Ting Long Zian, was a Chinese immigrant came from China at age 30. He was a fortune teller, and he looks like he moved into this house that was already 80 years old. And he died in 2002, and he didn't have any heirs. And so this house was donated to the community museum. And I have his little books and stuff like that on display. So this is the historic shop houses in this Charon Chai community. You can see kind of where it's located in relation to the river. And that all's in Thai, so I can't quite make out what it's saying. But it's giving you some dates of when it was built and the current state of affairs. So it was Buddhist year 2469, and that 2555 was last year. And the area around, you can see they have all the stuff up for the Thai Chinese and the red lanterns and everything. Shop selling little Chinese Buddhists and stuff. Yeah, these are all just what you find in this little local community. All right, so this was a short little simple video. I just mainly wanted to show this old house and to kind of let people know that there are some places that they do want to try to conserve some of their heritage. Most of the problem you have in Bangkok is that all these old areas, they kind of get defunct, and people just tear them down and slap up a new, condo or a new shopping mall or whatever. And it is kind of cool that these kind of places are still here, because people want to come and see something that's 100, 150, 200 years old, whatever, and take a look around. So anyway, if you're near Chinatown, you can always stop by and take a look at this area for yourself. It's kind of cool to see the little narrow alleyways and all that. So anyway, guys, remember, if you like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends, comment down below if you see something you like or you want me to see something different, and do all of that. And as always, guys, remember, life is a journey, so enjoy.